If you're letting your kids watch YouTube and want to filter out inappropriate content, here's how to enable restricted mode. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select Settings from the menu. Once you're in Settings, tap on General. Here, you'll see an option called Restricted Mode. Simply toggle it on. This feature helps filter out potentially matured or inappropriate videos using YouTube's age restriction signals and community guidelines. Once enabled, restricted mode will hide videos that may contain sensitive content, making YouTube safer for kids. Keep in mind that no filter is 100% perfect, but this significantly reduces the chance of your children stumbling upon inappropriate material. And that's it. You can now hand over your phone knowing YouTube's parental controls are active. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.